alone. All I ever asked was you show me some love. Got it, got it, got it. SBF, got it, got it, got it. If you claim you want me.
All right, let's see if we got the memory to do this phone, because you know, phone kind of bootleg. So this is gonna be an unboxing video. Y'all just saw me like previewing the hair. Now you're gonna see me attempt to put it on my head. I've been gone for like 3 months, 4 months, 5 months maybe. I ain't come on here with like no special intro or nothing, because like when I tried to do that on my last videos, like I looked back and I was just like, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be trying to put on my head. I can't pronounce it. Hair, yeah, I'm gonna put it down in somewhere on the video. This is the package it comes in. I ordered it from Amazon. It was like $34.99 or $35 or something like that. Probably 36, close to $40, but not over $40. Because I ordered stuff with it. It took about 3 to 4 weeks to get here from me. I don't have Amazon Prime. With Amazon Prime, you can get your packages to you like in what, like 2 days. With regular, you know, like shipping and all, I got here in like 3 to 4 weeks. And this is what the hair looks like. That's what the front looks like. And we're gonna attempt to put this on without messing the lace up. I watched videos on how to do it. I watched videos. So I have my wig caps. I'm using the freaking spray and the glue and all that junk. So if I mess this up, I'm gonna be so mad. It looks like an egg that's 2 different colors. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, fix it, Jesus. I don't know what I'm doing, yo. I'm like, I cannot cut with my left hand. This just gonna stay like this. So guys, this is the wig. I can't do wigs. I can't do it. I can't do it. Y'all, please don't drag me, okay? It's my first day out. Please don't drag me, please. Probably down there like, oh my God, she freaking, why she cut it like that? Why she swoop it like that? Like, bro, relax. All I do is wear my natural hair. This is new to me, okay? Okay, this is why I need a professional. I just feel like I've completely ruined this wig. It's not the hair, it's me. Oh my gosh, all up in my ear. Okay, so I tried. I tried. It's the hair, it's good hair. It's just, I don't know how to put on the wig. This is it wet. I have my spray bottle with some leave-in conditioner in it. I like this wig. But as y'all can see, I'm a little rough around the edges when it comes to the lace fronts. So that was my attempt. That was my attempt to show y'all this wig. But overall, it's really good hair. Cheap, but like it's very pretty. And I feel like it's gonna last a little bit. But thank you guys for coming to watch me fail, and I really appreciate it. While we're here, you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and all that. And all that, do all that good stuff. And I don't know what else to say. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.